Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Tonight I'll be preparing another soup from the English kitchen. She does such lovely dishes. Tonight's soup is sweet and sour cabbage and tomato soup. Let's get to it. To the melted butter, we're going to add sliced onion and diced or sliced cabbage and some sugar and we're going to cook this on low for about 20 minutes. As you can see, the cabbage has reduced quite a bit and things are starting to caramelize. All right, we're going to add the tin of tomatoes. The veggie broth. The lemon juice. And the rice. We're going to stir this all together. Okay, we're going to bring this up to a boil and then we're going to take it right back down to a simmer. And then we're going to cook this or simmer this for 30 to 35 minutes or until the rice is done and cooked. Okay, the soup has simmered for about 35 minutes. Ooh, looking yummy. The rice is done. On to the next step. And here's the final presentation of the sweet and sour cabbage and tomato soup. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. If you liked this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.